Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to split group booking on Airasia. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Airasia account, which of course I've done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account on Airasia? Launch any browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type airasia.com. It's going to take you to the official website for Airasia. Once you get into the website, follow through the on-screen prompt to create your account, and after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Airasia. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that's how to split group booking on Airasia. So from this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top of the screen where you have app play, purchases, check-in, flight status, support and promotions. Go ahead and click on purchases. And that's going to take you right into the purchases window. So in here, all of your orders are organized in one page, organized into these categories, which include date, depart, origin, arrive, destination, booking number, and status. So just right here next to status, you're going to find a three dots menu close to your order. Click on the three dots menu and you're going to find an option that says manage booking. So click on manage. Once you click on manage, this is what you're going to do. So after clicking on manage, okay, so select the booking, the particular booking you want to split, and you're going to three dots menu, click on manage. Once you click on manage, you're going to find further options. All right, so click on flight details under manage, and then under flight details, you're going to see an option that says split booking. So once you click on split booking, select the specific passenger to divide into new booking and confirm your changes. Now, upon successful division, a new booking with a new booking number or PNR will be created. So that's pretty much the process. So head over to purchases, select the order, click on the three dots menu, click on manage, click on flight details, and click on split booking. Then select a specific passenger to divide into new booking and confirm your changes. Upon successful division, a new booking with a new booking number will be created. This is pretty much the process. And I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.